Morning, guys. I'm sorry about looking like a disaster. I know it's been so long and I apologize. I've been sick and I'm sick again, as you guys can hear. I've been in a little bit of like a YouTube rut lately. I hope you guys can understand, but I'm coming back strong today, even though I'm sick. I'm actually on my way to go pick up Maddie, and then we are going to the mall. So let's go pick up Maddie, and I'll see you guys in a bit. We just got to the mall. We're gonna go get some breakfast. Say hello. I know it's been a while. We're gonna go get Tim Hortons because I need some coffee. I'm still like half asleep. It's like what, 11? Not even.
Coffee with 2 soy, 2 sweetener. And then I'm gonna get a garden vegetable sandwich. And instead of cream cheese, can I just get mustard?
Yeah. So this is what I always get at Tim Hortons if you guys are from Canada. I put a hash brown in it and I get mustard. It's so good. And then they actually have soy milk here, which is really nice. Maddie got Subway. But yeah, that's my breakfast if anybody cares. A little late, but Maddie's getting me this for my birthday, so stay tuned. I don't even know if you guys can see me.
Wrong. They sent it to Ontario. I ordered it here, and it was coming 2 days after her birthday. And I got an email. Oh, it's in Victoria Country, Ontario, Canada. And I was like,
I mean, I've seen a lot of her recipes on YouTube anyway, but anyone else fan of Lauren Toyota, please let me know. She is the vegan queen. I'm really excited to make some recipes from her cookbook. So stay tuned for those.
yes, please.
Oh my god, yum.
Donkey. Look, we found one.
So it's freaking hot.
It is hot here.
Does anyone else wear sweaters with nothing underneath them and then get really hot and they can't take them off?
Yeah, we both have our winter jackets. We have our winter jackets in the back seat, too.
I thought it was gonna rain today because it was freezing yesterday.
I'm being very grateful that it's not raining. But we just left the mall. I finally got Kristen her birthday present. Only a little late.
Only a little late.
Yay! She's so excited. Lauren,
there's going to be a lot of recipes coming up of this book.
Let us know how we did. Did we get a free bucket?
Terrible. No, I'm kidding. No. We're trying to figure out where we want to go hiking,
which will turn into a stroll because neither of us prepared.
Because it might end up raining. Like, it looks pretty nasty out there if you guys can see.
At least I kind of see it that much.
Yeah. Oh, I think I just stepped on something. Yeah, sorry, barnacle. Ooh, the plane's taking off. Hi. I have to sneeze.
Do you?
I'm sick.
Yeah, you do get Benylin every 6 hours, so.
It might take more.
Well, it hasn't been 6 hours yet, but yes.
It's actually so nice out here right now.
It's so pretty. It's like the perfect weather too. Do you want to go exploring?
Yes, I'm going that way.
So, she's way over there. She's going for a walk. Having fun? She wants to take a picture there and have me take it from this side of the rock. So, uh-oh, here we go, You trekking it?
Favorite thing about Victoria is that a lot of the hiking areas have these succulents that grow wildly here. They're so pretty. I actually have some on my balcony that I got from Lone Tree Hill. They're like every color of the rainbow. They're so pretty.
Kristen just said out loud that she doesn't want to vlog in here because she's straight up lazy.
Hey, don't tell them that. Okay, but I have been slacking lately. You guys know I've been in a rut. Anyone else who goes on YouTube knows what that is like. You just get, it's kind of like writer's block. I don't know, I just didn't feel inspired.
Inspirational
lately.
block?
Yeah. I didn't feel inspired lately. But we are planning on making, they're called, I'm probably butchering this, but jjajangmyeon noodles. So we got some veggies. They don't have any of the sauce here, so we're gonna have to go to a different grocery store. You can make the sauce by hand, but it's a very involved process, and I don't want to do that. And I'm lazy, so I'm also sick. I just want noodles. I want comfort food. I mean, when do I not want comfort
Then
food?
why are we walking into Housewares?
Look at this pillow. Looking for noodles. There's literally like so many here. There's too many. I don't even know. I really want those glass noodles that everyone eats in the mukbang. Where is the ingredients? Someone in my comments seems to think that bread and noodles are not vegan. So, there you go. There you go. So these are the succulents I'm talking about. I got all of these ones from Lone Tree Hill, and then I got this driftwood on the path. So I'm just gonna add these to it. Sorry if you guys can hear my neighbor upstairs. But eventually they'll just latch on. Like I've had all of these ones for over a year, and they're all actually connected now, which is really cool. So yeah, pretty exciting. Hi Gemma. Hi. Hi. Ailey just got here. Look how cute she looks, by the way. You should do like a back up. Do a 360. Look how cute. And then there's me. I'm literally wearing sweatpants right now. She went and got snacks. We got pita and hummus.
I was really hungry.
Got
So
Sour Patch Kids.
I bought a lot.
I can't have that one, but I can have these ones.
I'm gonna do right now.
And salsa. So we can snack before we eat our noodles. That's fine, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, they're kind of soda. Well, you can't get it everywhere.
That's what a lot of people say. I really like the Habibi.
I just went to.
Oh, it's on sale next week, by the way. On Monday, it goes on ad.
I'm not.
Help yourself.
I want to smell this because I haven't tried it yet. Ooh.
It looks. I was gonna say it doesn't look a lot appealing.
It's just
but
like garlic paste.
it smells
I was gonna get the actual sauce, but
It smells like garlic and soy sauce in a paste.
yeah. That's what it looks like. Because then we can make it again. We're literally, okay, this is not traditional at all because they use like daikon, and I was gonna get some, but I couldn't find any. And we just kind of want to do our own thing, so I'm sure it'll be good though.
They had potatoes in there, didn't they?
Yeah, there's potatoes in it, which I was so tempted to put potatoes in it, and I thought it would be weird, but they actually put potatoes in it. I should have done it.
You don't have potatoes? You always have potatoes.
I don't actually have any this time. I know.
It's a shock.
But yeah, I'll do like a quick little recipe for you guys. Not a formal one, because this is literally like thrown together. But whenever we start cooking, we're just gonna munch right now and having some Sour Patch
Can I
Kids.
sit on that? Okay.
We also got this stuff. Don't mind me, I'm in my sweatpants. I'm so sick. We got these. Put it in there too. So, I think that'll be good.
I think I hear them.
I hear somebody.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, hi. Hello. I'm sad you're not eating dinner. It's gonna be good. You missing out.
Drinking a coffee.
Emily's like, I look like shit. Fuck you.
Okay, I won't.
look like shit today.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it now.
Cabbage and my garlic and my onions. I'm just gonna saute this and hope for the best. I guess we need a bit of oil, don't we? That would be helpful. This one. I really want I feel you on the Kleenex, Emily. I'm snotting back to mess right now. You need to wait for this. She's just like, just blow your nose in the back. Sorry, it's fine. I don't care. I tried to go away. This is a casual vlog. I don't want to dive into the fancy recipe videos just yet. Because as I told you, I've been in a rut and my mental health has just been like lately. If anyone can relate to that, please let me know. I've been seeing a therapist and that's been really good. My parents are actually moving back, so I'm really excited about that because I don't have any family here. So it'll be nice. Anyways, that was my TED Talk. I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit. Present from Emily.
Oui, oui.
Oui, oui.
Ooh,
It's all purple. I don't have a lot of purple.
Mm-hmm.
What is it? Is it a shirt? Is it? This is cute. Oh, I ruined it. This is cute. I can wear this.
There's
I can
another
wear this
strap.
to
Sorry, but
Is there? Oh, I was like, oh, it's off the shoulder. This is so cute.
so cute, eh?
Man. Okay, what's this? Oh.
I don't know if I took this. Yeah, I did. I think purple is the theme.
This is
Yeah.
so cute. Oh my god! Thanks, Pappy. This is so cute. I literally look like a potato right now. But I can imagine myself.
I can
wearing
relate.
that. Like when I have my hair done up.
So there was a pack, but one had bacon and eggs on it. So I'm like, I have to take this out. Like she can't have this. Like you can't even say, oh, it's like vegan bacon or something. So I had to take that one out. But the rest of them I thought were okay because you can make it. Like those.
Okay. These are so cute.
So cute.
These are literally the cutest socks I've ever seen in my life. Are they from Forever 21? Oh my god, there's
No.
more! Little donuts!
And a coffee, a latte, because I love you, a latte.
These are cute. Oh, they have more pancakes? Oh my god, avocado toast? Okay, there's an egg out here,
Here's
but
an
that's
egg,
okay.
but I was like, it's a tofu egg.
It's a vegan egg. It's a vegan egg, okay? I like the
I know,
color
but
of
I
these
like
ones.
how it had the toast, so I'm like, I can't take those away either.
Oh, these are
sassy.
They're sassy. We're not gonna show them. Some underpants. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's so nice. Did you look at the cookbook yet? Or Toyota? Oh, this is getting ready. That's nice.
Oh, that's really weird.
Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of veggie broth. Just to wilt this down a little bit, I think. I'm just winging it. We're hoping for the best. I think it'll taste good. I mean, we might be a little gassy from the cabbage, but that's okay. I don't know where my lid is. Okay, maybe I'm gonna add a little bit more veggie broth.
Yeah, because you just devoured it.
And then let it steam, I think, for like 10 minutes. Get in there. So we got the cabbage.
You just did at the screen for like a second. It was already
I was
filming.
waiting for the little beep.
Oh, well, you missed the beep.
A little beep. Okay, so this is our black bean paste.
It's
We didn't get the sauce, we got the paste. So it's quite,
It's very thick.
yeah, it's also
It's
very
thick.
flavored. So I'm basically just gonna make a sauce with like veggie stock and let it thicken a little bit. I just added the vegetables. The vegetables.
I don't get that.
It's just like the Oriental pack.
Are you
So
in Draco's spot again?
Brianna just got home.
Oh, hi.
Say hi.
Enough potato Emily for tonight. We're all potatoes.
Thanks. Bye.
Cute. Bye.
You're gonna hate me. There's so little on your face. You're gonna.
Okay, hi.
The noodles. Bit of sesame seeds on it. And then I've got some bean sprouts. This is Maddie's idea.
I was craving an avocado. Okay.
We'll go good on it.
Yeah, so we're gonna put some of that on there.
Just a little crunch, you know?
Crunch, crunch.
And then the frishabakadu. I kind of want to like put it. Okay, I guess not.
No, it's not staying on top.
Okay, taste test.
You can taste test it. I'm balancing.
Want me to do the camera for you guys?
Okay, taste test.
Taste test. Can we go?
Mmm. 10 out of 10. I'd make that again. Haley always does her little.
Can I try it?
Good. Good. Kristen,
Try a bite.
go ahead.
So yummy.
I'm just like, no.